Hello and welcome back to Vision Economics Academy. This is Shar Shivankar, and today we'll be solving the numericals on elasticity of demand from the unsolved practical part of Sandeep Garg. Before I start with the first question, it's my humble request for you all to please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon. It encourages me and it fuels me to make such videos further. Now, as we all know, elasticity of demand is the responsiveness of the consumer towards the change in the factors that affects the demand, especially the price. So the formula for price elasticity of demand is change in Q by change in P into P by Q, right? And change in Q is Q1 minus Q, Q1 being the new quantity and Q being the initial one or the old one. And same thing with change in P is P1 minus P being the new and P1 being the new, sorry, and P being the initial, right? Keeping that in mind, let us start the first question. The quantity demanded increases from 100 units to 200 units when the price decreases from 12 rupees to 10. So now what's given over here is the price which has decreased from 12. So 12 is the old price and the new price is 10. So change in price is P1 minus P, that is 10 minus 12, which is minus 2, right? And quantity initially was 100 units, then it became 200 units as the price fell. Now the change in quantity is Q1 minus Q, that is 200 minus 100, which will give us 100. Now since we have all the values, now we can directly take out the elasticity of demand. Elasticity of demand is change in Q by change in P into P by Q. Now the change in quantity is 100 by change in price is minus 2, then multiplied by price. The initial price is 12 by the quantity, the initial quantity being 100, right? So 0 gets cancelled, to 1 jar to 6 jar, so minus 6, right? Minus 6. Now, so elasticity of demand is equals to within modulus 6. As we are just seeing the magnitude of the response, we are not seeing the direction. So we only consider the absolute value. The sign does not matter. So since elasticity of demand is greater than 1, that means the elasticity of demand is highly positive. Okay, sorry, highly elastic. So the elasticity of demand is highly elastic as elasticity of demand is greater than 1. Okay, so it is as easy as this, right? So you can copy this. These are very simple numericals, right? You can take the screenshot of it and let us move on to the next one. As the price of the commodity increases from 4 per unit to 5 per unit, so the price given, the price is 4 and the price has changed to 5. So the change in price is 5 minus 4, that is 1, P1 minus P, right? Then quantity was 20, it has reduced to 10. So Q 20, Q1 10. The change in Q is Q1 minus Q is 10 minus 20 minus 10. So putting the formula now, change in Q by change in P into P by Q. So change in quantity is minus 10, change in price is 1 into price, initial price is 4 and initial quantity is 20. 0 0 gets cancelled, 2 ones are 2 twos are, so minus 2. Elasticity of demand is within modulus minus 2, as elasticity of demand is greater than 1, therefore it is highly elastic demand. Okay, right? So since the elasticity is greater than 1, it is highly elastic demand. All right. Now please take the screenshot of it. Then we'll move on to the next one. The price and quantities demanded of a commodity are given below. On the basis, find out the price elasticity of demand. Now, same thing. The price is 10, price changes to 20. The change in price is 20 minus 10, that is 10, right? So the price has increased from 10 to 20, right? Now, the change in quantity is, sorry, the Q is 20, Q1 has become 15. So the change in Q is Q1 minus Q, that is 15 minus 20 minus 5. Elasticity of demand equals to change in Q by change in P into P by Q. That is minus 5 by 10 into 10 by quantity is, initial quantity is 20. Right? So 0 0 gets cancelled, 5 ones are, 5 fours are. So minus 1 by 4 equals to 1.25. Okay, so elasticity of demand is 1.25, as ed equals to greater than 1. The price elasticity is of demand is highly elastic. All right. Okay, so it's as simple as this. Please take the screenshot of it. The answer is 1.25 within modulus. Let's move on to the next one. Question number 4. Given again the quantity is 80 and quantity has changed to 100. Price was 10 and it has reduced to 8. Now the change in quantity is 100 minus 80, that is 20. Change in price is 8 minus 10, that's minus 2. Elasticity of demand is, I'm not writing the formula, I'll straight away put the value, minus change in Q is 20 by change in P is minus 2 into price, that is 10, by quantity, initial quantity is 80. 2 ones are 2 fours are, 2 ones are 2 fives are, so 5 by 4 is again 1.25 minus 1.25. Elasticity of demand is minus 1.25 within the modulus minus. Okay, we're considering only the absolute value. Therefore, the elasticity of demand is highly elastic as ed equals greater than 1. Okay, right? Please take the screenshot of it. This is very easy. Okay, so let us consider the next question. Question number 5. Demand has increased by 10 units. That means, now here is a simple change in the question. Demand has increased by 10 units. That means the change in quantity is 10. When the price decreases by 2, the change in price is 2. As a result, demand increases to 100 units. So by increasing 10 units, it has become 100 units. So the demand has increased by 10 units. That means the earlier quantity demand was 90, right? And the change in the price is 2. The price has decreased to 8. So that means P1 is 8. So if it has decreased to 8 and the price has decreased by 2 and it has decreased to 8, that means the original price was, or the initial price was 10, right? So elasticity of demand equals to change in Q by change in P into P, that is 10, by Q, that is 90. 0 0 gets cancelled, 2 ones are 2 fives are 5 by 9, right? So 9, 5 divided by 9, so 90.95 are 45, again 5, then so 0.55. Elasticity of demand is 0.55. Therefore, it is less or inelastic demand. Right? Okay. It's as simple as that. Please take the screenshot and then we will continue. Okay, let's go to number 6, which is very similar. Following is the market demand schedule of commodity X. Calculate the coefficient of price elasticity of demand when price increases from rupees 3 per unit to 5 per unit. Now 3 to 5. So the change in price is, this is P, this is P1 because it has changed from 3 to 5. So P1 5 minus P, that is 2. Change in quantity from 3250 to 1250. So 1250 minus 3250, that is 2000. Yes. Then elasticity of demand equals to change in Q 2000 by, this is minus 2000, by change in price is 2 into price is 3 by initial quantity is 3250, right? So 12 by 13 equals to 0.92. 2, if I'm not wrong. Then, therefore, elasticity of demand equals to 0.92. So it is less elastic or inelastic demand. Okay. So from question number 7 onwards, we will do in the next video, right? Till then, be safe and wishing you a very successful life and a good education journey. Thank you. This is Shivankar Shetri. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, bye bye.